Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to fly the FDR X3000 on the back of my DJI Avata. Now granted, the Avata probably has better picture quality and video quality and the rest of it, but I just wanted to use this camera at a different angle and see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like with the DJI Avata and the Sony FDR X3000. So I just wanted to add, you can really see the jello. I didn't think it would be that bad, but when you see your head all wobbling, clearly this just is not a use case for the Sony Action Cam. However, it was a bit of fun, and now here's some footage of the Avata with its inbuilt camera. I honestly prefer this, as I think most people would.